Welcome to our guide on the best induction pans of 2026. Induction cooking is revolutionizing kitchens with its 90% thermal efficiency. But not all pans work equally well. Let's explore what makes an induction pan the best. Induction uses an alternating magnetic field to heat the pan directly. Thus, compatibility is not enough, you need to choose wisely. Poor quality pans can buzz, warp, and lose heat through thermal cycling. First, look for a pan with a ferromagnetic base. This ensures it heats quickly. Next, structural planarity is crucial. Your pan must be perfectly flat, or you'll experience uneven heating. Consider tri-ply construction. This design uses multiple layers to distribute heat evenly and quickly. High-quality handles should remain cool and be stable, avoiding vibrations. Let's dive into our top picks. The all-clad D3 stainless steel fry pan stands out as the best overall. Its tri-ply design ensures even heat. It's perfect for serious cooks looking for long-lasting performance. For a mid-range option, the Cuisinart Multi-Clad Pro Fry Pan offers excellent value. It provides balanced heat distribution and is dishwasher safe, making it a delightful choice for home cooks. If you're on a budget, check out the all-clad HA1 nonstick pan set. It provides reliable nonstick performance without breaking the bank. Finally, the Lodge cast iron skillet delivers unmatched heat retention and durability, making it perfect for searing and frying. In summary, investing in a quality induction pan enhances your cooking experience. Consider factors like material and construction to make the right choice for your kitchen. For more information and the latest offers, check out the links below. Happy cooking!